I have experienced a lot. I was once farmed. I've been logged and replanted. And I have been wandered. I'm home to many species, and even one that exists nowhere else on this planet. I watch as you study what makes my ecology so unique. My canopy of trees offers a place for you to explore nature and connect with one another. A place to walk winding paths over creeks, through marshlands, and past small ponds. A place for the wild ones to go about their lives. A place to see the beauty of this wonderful land we all call home. I haven't asked for much, but now I need your help. I need you to take action so I can be here for the next generation to appreciate. Help me grow into the forest I was meant to become. I am the Morrison Headwaters, and my future is in your hands.